Hey guys, Jose here. I'm a huge fan of ABC's Once Upon a Time. I recently got to catch up with the evil queen herself, Lana Parrilla, and with the actor that plays her son Henry, Jared Gilmore. They also told me how things are going to get a little more icy now that a new Disney fairy tale has joined the Storybrooke family.
365!
So what happened at the end of last season?
Everything surrounding Frozen has been very top secret.
Okay.
I didn't know Elsa was arriving until I watched the finale. And then we saw the hair and the hand movement. I was stunned.
When I saw the Frozen thing happen, I was just, I can't believe it. That's awesome.
Yeah, it came out of nowhere. That was pretty cool. So what's going to be happening in Storybrooke now that Elsa's arrived?
It's going to be really cold.
So are there any secrets that you can share with our Disney Channel fans?
It was revealed that Lana will also be joining Elsa.
I have a surprise for you.
I love the movie. I've seen it a lot.
Could you show me how to cast a proper spell?
Dark magic is my strong suit. My fireball, you scoop it up and then you let it build and grow and then you just push it out.
Could you show us your best evil queen stare? Are there any other secrets you could give our Disney Channel fans about what's coming up?
You have to watch and find out.
Alright. Don't miss the return of all new episodes of Once Upon a Time, Sunday, September 28th at 8/7 Central on ABC.